The first laser designator locked onto the lead vehicle. Seconds later, a Javelin missile streaked silently through the night air. Impact. The truck erupted in fire. The heat wave lit up the desert as if dawn had come early. The convoy driver barely had time to react. Chaos spread immediately. Drivers swerved. Scots tried to flank the SEAL positions. Sand clouds rose. Gunfire roared from the mounted machine guns on the trucks. SEALs returned fire with silenced HK-416s, picking off turret operators one by one. Snipers on the ridge cut down anyone who tried to escape the kill zone. A second truck tried to break formation. SEALs anticipated the move. Using preset explosives buried along the dry riverbed, they detonated a small berm, flipping the vehicle onto its side. The driver was trapped. The others slowed, panic setting in. The convoy was not used to organized resistance like this. Meanwhile, drones flew low, jamming the cartel's improvised aerial surveillance. Small quadcopters the cartel deployed were neutralized instantly. The desert sky, once filled with their buzzing, went silent. The SEALs controlled every inch of airspace. 2:53 a.m. the fight intensified. The convoy split into two groups. 10 trucks moved left, 9 moved right. SEALs adjusted. Split teams flanked each path. Radio communications were minimal. Hand signals and pre-agreed markers dictated movements. Every second counted. Amid the firefight, the SEALs discovered something unusual. The crates in several trucks were not drugs. Thermal scans showed metal surfaces and dense machinery. Some crates emitted weak heat signatures, suggesting active electronics. Major Ross noted it immediately. These aren't smuggling runs. This is equipment, possibly weapons or guidance systems. The SEALs continued to engage. Explosions lit the night sky. One armored vehicle attempted to fire a mounted 50 cal at a sniper position. The SEALs returned fire with precision. The gunner went down, the vehicle spinning out of control into the sand. Another truck tried to escape north. A prepositioned team cut it off using Mr. ZR vehicles, pinning it against a dune. The convoy's coordination started to collapse. Panic spread among the drivers. Some tried to fight back with handheld RPGs. SEALs dodged and used cover, returning fire with suppressed rifles. One SEAL hit the trigger on a claymore mine from the flank, taking out the final functional vehicle in that column. Amid the chaos, the Apache helicopters provided aerial overwatch. Night vision targeting allowed pilots to illuminate and track moving vehicles, guiding the SEALs on the ground. Missiles were reserved only for hardened trucks. Every shot was calculated to minimize risk to civilians while neutralizing threats. By 3:10 a.m., all 19 trucks were either destroyed, disabled, or captured. Flames licked the desert floor. Smoke drifted over the dunes. CAL secured the area, moving from vehicle to vehicle, checking for survivors and identifying cargo. What they found stunned everyone. Inside the trucks were crates of foreign-made weapons. Russian markings were visible on rocket launchers and drone guidance systems. Some crates contained encrypted laptops and GPS devices likely used to coordinate the convoy's movements. The presence of these advanced systems suggested the cartel wasn't acting alone. Someone supplied them. Someone with knowledge of modern battlefield technology.